Greetings to everyone. My name is Gerson Vital. I currently live in New York, United States of America. First, I would like to show my gratitude by saying thanks to Forex Beginners Academy by Saad Ali. It's been about a year since I've been learning to trade. However, I've spent thousands of dollars in the industry with little result. When I see I could not have any significant result, I have been trying to find a mentor which would guide me on the right path. But no one was willing to help. I should tell you that the training I have paid for ended up being a single program where they give you setups to enter and wait for the result. That's the worst way for me to learn. I could not adapt to that as in my inner person I wanted to be able to do my work all by myself one day. According to me, I have been fooled repeatedly until I found Forex Beginners Academy. When I found Forex Beginners Academy that was referred to me by a friend, I chose to start all over again, and that was the best decision I could have made. With this program, Mr. Saradali teaches us with a well-detailed lesson the only tools that we really need to be able to trade by ourselves. In this course, we have learned how to use indicators like trend lines, trend channels, exponential moving average, and Fibonacci in order to analyze this price chart. With his easy to follow lessons, it has taught us how to analyze candlesticks and candlesticks patterns, and the best way to find support and resistance. This program uses the best charting platform, TradingView, to teach us how to analyze the price chart. Furthermore, the program does not only teach us, but it also provides a student private group where you can post your work after each lesson and get feedback from instructors and other students. All I can say is that I am grateful that I have found Forex Beginners Academy. I can say now that my journey really begins to learn how to trade properly to become a trader. Thank you, everyone.